everyone, welcome back to our EV channel. So today we are going to review this solar water heater, which are nothing but ETC type solar water heater. What is meant by an ETC type? Evacuated tube collector solar system. So when you see here, so you have an outer tube and you have an inner tube. So there are two tubes in this. These two tubes are made up of borosilicate glass tube. So these are made up of borosilicate. So this is an outer tube, this is an inner tube, and this is made up of borosilicate glass tube, and these generally tubes are called as evacuated tube collectors. And you have an outer layer, as outer you have one glass and inner also you have one more glass. The inner glass, the cold water gets circulated, and you can see here the cold water the cold water will be available in this tank, and it circulates and it gets collected to the output, and the total hot water will be available where we can have a backup for continuously 12 hours. The inner tube is given a painting of absorbing material. So this blue type of material is nothing but absorbing, where it absorbs all the solar radiation. So this inner tube is nothing but made up of blue color. All this is given a outer coating of absorbing, and internally water will be circulating, and if this tube goes also, you can buy it for 1000 rupees each. And this is all about how we heat the water by using a solar system. These are called as a solar water heater of evacuated tube type, okay, tube collectors. So all these are tube, that's why these are called as tube collectors. Evacuated means so the water or the dust can easily flow from one point to another point, therefore these sort of systems are called as evacuated type. So to this system, so one inlet is there, this is the inlet to the water heater. So cold water will come and it will try to circulate in each each ETC tube, and resultantly this will come out, okay. So this is nothing but the outlet of the system, and this is connected to an air vent where it can absorb more amount of air and will mix with hot, and you can have a required pressure at the tap. So all these systems are called as ETC type solar water heaters. So you can have an storage for at night time also, you can have a storage for 12 hours, which will help to use it morning time as well as night time. So people have a doubt that solar water heaters can use only in morning time, just no need to bother. Why? Because after water gets heated, it will be stored in this tank, which is an proofed with hot storage, and this you can serve at around 6 to 8 hours. You can have a hot water at night time also, and these are the types of solar vacuum tube type solar heaters, and these are generally made up of copper glass, okay. So the name of glass what we use here, these are made up of copper glass, and we have a material inside which is shown in blue color, is nothing but an absorbing material, okay. So this is all about solar water heating system of type solar vacuum types, and these types of solar collectors are called evacuated tube collectors, okay. So here in this LKR function hall, we have three types of solar heater, and here all the facilities which is provided are solar water heater, and you have an green energy. So they generate the solar power and completely use it for the function hall. So on our average, it generates 2100 units monthly, and there they are going to get zero electricity bill, and they are using a natural process of heating the water, which are solar water heater. This is how to make use of solar energy and make our life very greeny and very easy. So all this will help to safeguard our environment and to save the annual maintenance. If they don't have the solar water heater, they have to buy an electrical heater, which is more maintenance and which consumes more power. So like this, renewable resources has to be used, which will help us to generate the green energy, or approximately 2100 into 10 rupees. If you multiply on our average 21,000 rupees they are generating monthly. So that's what the use of this solar plant and the use of this solar water heater. If you feel the content is useful, please like, share and subscribe with your friends, and please try to encourage these types of channel, which will help us to do more videos. Thank you for watching.